2021 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, cooled front seats. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.